There's a moment I always look forward to when I meet a new group of children. I ask, does anyone have a story they'd like to tell me? And then I wait, and for a second I feel nervous. What if no one says anything? What if this time there's no story? Then a hand shoots up. Dinosaur, rah! Or another one, mummy, go shopping, or unicorn fly. And I remember that of course every child has a story. They're just waiting to be asked. And it doesn't matter if their story is 1 word or 100 words. It's their story. They can't get it wrong. And that's the heart of the listening classroom. Listening to children in the early years and trusting their voices. I'm Trisha Lee, and I know what it's like when a child doesn't fit the mould, because I was that child, the one who talked too much, fidgeted too much, the one who spent more time outside of the classroom than I ever did inside. But pretend and making up stories helped me. Being listened to helped me. And that's why I do this work. My approach is rooted in helicopter stories and inspired by Vivian Gussin Paley, my friend and mentor, until her death in 2019. Vivian showed me how to truly listen to children's stories and respect their voices. Because when we do, we're not just teaching literacy, we're building confidence, empathy and imagination. We're creating early years settings where every child feels like they belong. And on this channel, you'll find stories children have shared with me, reflections on the deeper learning and emotions behind their words, and what I've seen firsthand when we start truly listening to children and valuing their voices. It's never about ticking boxes and measuring attainment. It's about seeing every child for who they are, especially the ones who don't fit. And if this sounds like your kind of early years setting, you're welcome here. Subscribe and let's keep listening to children together. I'll see you next time.